Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add this PC on desktop Windows 11. So, if this PC is missing on your desktop on Windows 11, then let me quickly show you how you can easily add this back to your desktop on your Windows 11. And the approach is quite easy. So, now what you simply need to do is go ahead and click on the Start button, then click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, scroll through the left side and then click on Personalization. Now, once you selected Personalization, locate and click on Themes. Now, under Themes, scroll down. Then you should say Desktop Icon Settings. Click on it. Then, if my computer is unchecked, like this, then this PC will be missing on your desktop. So, to bring it back to the desktop, simply click on this Desktop Icon Settings and then check Computer under Desktop Icon. And then go ahead and click on Apply. Then click on OK. Now go back to your desktop and then on the desktop you say this PC. So now go ahead, double click to open this PC on your Windows 11, and that's it. So that is basically how to add this PC to desktop Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.